Okay, so in today's tutorial, we are going to work on a double crochet stitch. And I am going to be doing this left-handed today. And the first thing we need to do is to chain up 2 stitches because we need to give our next row some height because the double crochet stitch is kind of a tall stitch. So we need to start off kind of up high. So some people chain up 3, I find 2 to work best for me. So there's my 2 chain ones. And I'm going to yarn over before I insert my hook this time. So I yarn over, insert my hook under that first stitch, pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the second 2. And you can see here how now my chain 2 acts as a double crochet. So it's just as tall as my double crochet stitch. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Oh, looks like I split the yarn there. Let me try that again. Yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we'll do that again. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook under both of those loops of that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're just going to continue to do that all the way across. Pull up a loop, so we have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Looks like we've still got a couple more here, so we're going to continue to do that to the end of the row. I think I use the double crochet more than any other stitch. All the granny squares and the V-stitches, I'll use this double crochet. There you go. You can see how tall those stitches are in comparison to the first row of single crochet. The second row of stitches is much taller.